Hello, I'm on the train to Xi'an from Chengdu. It has been more than 2 hours and I still need to sit more, 1.5 hour more to reach Xi'an. I want to use this time to talk something and depends later. No, I'm not familiar with talking or doing the video like this. I'm trying to make it better and more fluent to deliver some kind of point of view. Usually I'm just ramble upon some kind of thought and speak without planned or strategic thinking because I don't know what to talk really. Although I have a lot of stories to tell you during my journey, my trip, or my holidays. Since I was in Chengdu for 3-4 days, right? A lot of experience I have seen and a lot of attractions and wonderful things I've seen from Chengdu. But for me, in order to tell the story about this, my opinion, I think it's kind of a problem for me to make it kind of interesting or appealing story. Okay, I will try to improve myself to be better at storytelling. So today I just want to take some kind of brief moment to do the art, expressive art while on the train, high-speed rail train. You can see it's a beautiful sunset. I will show you. It's kind of the countryside China on the rail between Chengdu and Xi'an. Most of them are for vegetable plantation. It's not like rice paddy field in my country Vietnam. Here is more concentrated veggies and very peaceful. The weather outside is very cold. It's just like 5 degrees Celsius, but inside is warmer. I think it's around 19 degrees Celsius. Over there you can see further over there is the mountain ranges. Across the area is like the sky horizon. I love the color here, the sunset, the sky sunset. It's like a bronzing area color. It's make it so romantic, right? Okay, now let's begin on the painting. Okay, I will pick up that color, the sunset color, for the color pen for this abstract painting. Okay. The notebook is ready. This is just a painting I just made an hour ago. But this was no narration because I missed checking the microphone. There was an audio connected to the phone. It's so sad. But no work. It's okay. I have chance to make one more painting. I will choose the sunset's color. Let's start with the lemon yellow. The second is the yellow ochre. Probably the light blue. Orange. Okay. I choose phthalo blue. I'm not sure I pronounce this correctly. And white. Out of those are all color that I pick for the painting. Yeah. I think I will choose dark blue for the background and yellow and the ochre, the yellow ochre for and the white for the highlights. Let's see. I also don't have any kind of imagination about it. Just see how it works. The first thing I will do is make some basic stripes. A pencil. I just randomly put it on top. The line on the page. Okay. Then there's just some lines, very bad. Roughly, yeah. I use the stick to spread the color to make the pattern and the background on the page, the paper. I will mix the white and the blue first to see how it works. Maybe it become the light blue. The first mix of the color. See. The next, I think I will put the yellow ochre. It's a second background. Oh my god, this was too much. It's okay. I will mix it with dark blue. See how it works. Maybe a little white. Okay. To make it richer in the texture and whatever. Yeah, you see, wow. The next color is yellow, of course. The train is about to stop at a station. I hope that there's nobody to sit beside me. Soon anyone sit beside me, it will become so distracted and unnatural in talking, because people will keep looking at you, what you are doing. I don't like it. Okay, I will use a dark blue and some kind of highlight. The dark highlight first. Sunset, the white, of course, the white highlight. So we have the dark. People are, oh, it's not yet stopped. Maybe it will finish the pandemic before the train stops. So I'm not sure, to make sure that there's nobody to disturb my process. It's not bad. Okay, like it. Okay, let's watch this together. Okay, let's see it. Wow, I love it. You know, it's like a mixture of the blue sky, blue cloud, or orange, some kind of the dawn mist, dawn ripe. Yeah, I think I will finish. I will stop here. It's just like in 15 minutes I have made it. It's amazing, right? And I really love the mixture of colors. It's fantastic of abstract painting and the magic of it. I love it so much. Okay, I will stop the video here since people are about to on board. So thank you for following me, and I will keep making more videos, and we hope to make it, how to say, more interesting in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.